kitchen. As you can see, you just want to take a look at this beautiful event here. This is called the Reserve at Perona Farms. It's a wonderful place. It's fantastic. Here I am behind the scenes, Foodshed Alliance dinner tonight. As you can see, the big boss is real busy. Anyway, so we're going to walk through the kitchen a little bit. Not much happening right now, but we're going to get ready to do some good stuff here tonight. Talk to you in a little bit. Tonight?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great night.
Fantastic. All right, we'll check back.
Chefs, fantastic food, great opportunity to bring awareness and raise resources for a great organization, Foodshed Alliance. We are here to have fun with you and raise some money for you and eat some good food.
Sounds good. We'll check back.
Serving a sausage sample, 2 beer-enhanced sausages, one with our black garlic hot salt, another that has more Asian flavors. It's going to be served over a beer and barley and vegetable risotto, topped off with a little bit of crispy fried beer battered shallots.
Very nice. As you guys saw before, Tim Schaefer is going to be doing a beer and hops risotto, barley risotto. Some of the fixing that goes in there. Some asparagus, some diced tricolored peppers, with a little bit of frizzled shallots on top, and the sausage is going to be going in the oven pretty soon. So we'll talk to you soon. I'm here with Chef Jesse, Chef to the Stars, Jesse Jones.
How you
doing, Jesse?
How you doing, brother?
All right.
I got my magic gloves on. How you doing?
All right, good. What'd you make today?
I made the Creole soup with a little bit of honey cornbread and some microgreens from farm.
Okay.
Did you enjoy it?
Very nice. Delicious. Wow. All right, you heard it here, Chef Jesse Jones.